Hello again, welcome back to the YouTube channel where you make money. Yeah, buying and selling. All right, dollars. This video. Okay, I'll be telling you how you do this. Now, how are you going to do this? It's sort of a script, tricky way of doing some stuff anyway, but it works, guy. It works, and it is very much cute. All right. Now, what are we going to be doing? Well, I have a video and on how you can still buy and sell dollars. There are so many videos I have about this, guys. So there are so many platforms. If you have not watched that platform, I'll be dropping a link to that on the other platforms on how you can make uh on how you can make your money. All right, buying and selling dollars. There are so many cards have places they work on. Okay, some cards may not work on this platform but work on the other platform. You just have to go watch that video on how to do it on ses.io, and then you watch. There's still so many other videos that I've posted. That's why you need to subscribe to this channel. If you have not been subscribing, man, you are missing a lot. So many videos have been dropped on this channel, and then you just have to go watch them and see how you can make your own money. Okay, now today rates depending on banks, you can see Zenith Bank. Okay, yeah, their Indian price is this, and the USD Zenith Bank have a good rate here this morning. FCMB, okay, 564 there. All right, USD First Bank. First Bank. All right. Now, so many banks have so many places where they work. All right, their dollar rates depending on their dollar rates. So many banks have many places they work on. Now, but this rate, I don't know. This rate, NGN Euro 497, that must be UBN rate. Okay, but guys, this morning, let's go straight to business. You need your physical bank card. You know where to get this, guys, right? Okay, walk into the bank if you don't know. But make sure you are getting either Visa card or you are getting either a MasterCard. All right, I'm just showing you the logos of these cards now. Please forget about this. Nobody use this. Okay, for now. All right, unless you are using my Pace cards, that's when you can be requesting for this because there's a place you can use it and make your money. But then here, always know that this is a sign that works. Okay, now once you have your bank card, the next thing you want to get is your Binance account. If you haven't done that already, there's a link on the description of this video just to make it easy for you so you can go register your account. And once you're registered on Binance, the next thing you want to do is to log in, put in your email address and password, put in and log in. Okay, if you have logged in, you should be having something like this. All right, now, but if you don't have a thing like this, that means that something is not right. But there's no problem. If you're using a mobile phone to do this, it shouldn't be displaying like this on default. You just have to go to the top right here and click on this, go to desktop version and click on desktop version, and then it will display in this way. All right, so once you have done that, you are halfway there. So the next thing you are going to be doing is to get your card ready. Now, if your card is ready for international transactions, all right, the next thing you are going to be needing is make sure that your card is ready for international transactions. Now, you can ask your bank, you can go for profiling. Now, come to this top right here where you have buy crypto. Some people are afraid of it. Yeah, I know that, but it works, right? Whatever you are thinking, this works. Okay, then click on this place. Click on this place depending on the card you're using, guys. Now, some cards doesn't work here, but there's still a video that I've made. You could just have to go and watch that video and then see how you can also do it on that platform. There are some cards that work on that platform and there's some cards that work here. Okay, so now you click on crypto buy crypto via cards. All right, you can see credit debit card, buy crypto via cards. So that is the one we are going to be choosing. That is the option we'll be using. Now once you click on it, you should be having this. Now click on buy already. All right, if it is not on buy, click on buy because you want to buy. Okay, now the next thing you are going to be doing is to change your currency, put it in dollar. Yes, put it in dollar, or you can put it in euro if you want. You can put dollar, euro, GBP, pound sterling, but I think it's best if you put it in dollar and euro. Okay, now change this to USDT. You can still buy this, but change it to USDT. The reason being that sometimes the price, not even sometimes, the price of USD BTC is not stable. It is not stable at all. So sometimes you may buy and before you go to sell it, the price have dropped. But sometimes it can also increase. Yes, either way. But I advise you to use USDT. All right, this is stable. This is a stable coin. USDT is a stable coin. What that means is that it is pegged to $1. All right, one USDT is equals to presently now 1.01 USD US dollars. All right, so you can see that it's getting even much weight over US dollars. So, but that being said, the next thing we'll be talking about here, the next thing we'll be talking about here is the next thing we'll be talking about here is to make the next thing we'll be talking about is what? Getting continue. Put in the amount you want to buy. Each cards, like I told you guys again, once again, note that each of these cards, they have different limits. They have their limits, right? But all of them are about $1 or $100 limit. All of them have their $100 limits attached to them, right? So you have to be targeting that 100 in mind, but just make sure not to take all the $100 limits which it has, right? Because there are going to be fees from Binance, so you just have to put in maybe something like 97 or maybe 96, right? So by the time they add their own fees, it will still be there. But don't worry, guys, you are going to be making your money also. All right, so let's put in 97 and continue. 97. Okay, you can now see that I have this because I have already added card. That's why it's displaying in this way. But if you don't have card already added, or you can also add a new card, you can also change card. I can choose a different any of this card that I have here, but you can also add another card if you want. Click on add card. If you have not done anything like this before, it's going to be displaying in this method. Now you add your card. All right, so but if you have added your card, and then if you added your card, it just comes up like this. You click on confirm by choosing the card you want to take already, so you can then continue to the next page. All right, now it's going to request for your CVV. Now you put in your CVV, which is always at the back of your card. All right, just for those that don't know what CVV is, the CVV of the card is always appearing, it's not this number, it's always appearing at the back of the card. Now you can see it might be also this. All right, some cards it's also appearing in the front of the card, so but for some card it is always in this place. All right, at the back of your card, that is where you will always see your CVV. So put in the CVV here and then click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it should take you to an OTP page. Right, it will take you to an OTP page where your bank sends an OTP to the bank, to the phone number that you use to register or your bank, or the phone number used to receive alert on your bank. So once you have done that, you are halfway there, and then you are going to be credited. Now once you are credited, once you have account have been credited, you just have to go to your wallet and then see your money. Right, once this process is successful, once again guys, if it is not successful, some of the times it is network problem. All right, you just have to try it again. But if you see that it's not giving you what you wanted, you can use the other video where I showed you another platform, because like I said before, some of these cards have different places that they work perfectly on. All right, so you can just go and watch the video on sets, or you can also go and watch the video, all right, on sets where I showed you how you can um do that. Okay, so on the other one, on the other hand, the next thing you are supposed to be doing after that is to go to your on your Binance account. You see, this is the price of dollar at the black market rate this morning versus what banks are selling on this very particular platform according to Abuki FX. All right, what they are selling this morning is this, and then this is the prices of these things now. Okay, depending on the bank, dollar rates, you can see this all that different. But once you are here on Binance, you see the prices we are having 570, and then 471, depending on the amount you're selling for. 5 million. All right, 5 million. All that things being said, the next thing you have to consider here is once you have bought your coin, please guys, let me show you something. If you have bought your coin, it will be in your wallet. All right, if it is on your wallet, if it is on your wallet, on your spot wallet, so you just have to go to transfer. If it is on your spot wallet, you have to go to transfer from spot wallet to funding, right? So Binance P2P is now the same thing as spot wallet. So change this. If it's not already changed, change it to USDT. You can search for the top of this place USDT and then click on it to change it to USDT and click on maximum. As you can see, I don't have any here, but I have some here. All right, so if I click on transfer, it will be transferring it from spot wallet to from spot wallet to my from funding to spot wallet. All right, so USDT, you see that this one is quite simple. All right, this is quite simple. You don't need to go changing, no time to go changing your stuffs, and all that. So I'm just trying to give you guys this bonus. Now click on confirm. From spot wallet to funding wallet, confirm. Then you are now ready to go to your P2P market. Go back to the home and then click on P2P. Click to P2P. All right, okay, we are here on P2P page. All right, to sell our coin, these are the prices available for us to sell. Now depending on the amount you're selling, all right, so you just have to come to this place to search for the ones you want to sell. Let's say for 40,000 bank transfer, guys, and change this, all right, to bank transfer. Please don't forget about other things. Unless you want to buy the charge card and all those things, you can go for top up and other platforms. Okay, but now for bank card, and then click on yes. Then it brings you to this place. All right, so this is what these guys are selling. You can click check the amount and then put in the amount you want to. But another thing I want to show you guys here, which is why I come to this place in the first place, is that you want to go to buy via fiat, then put in the amount. Try to be putting in whole number, right? So this way your account looks clean. You don't know, but it's gonna be tracking you, whatever. But it's not a problem anyway if you put in the money amount you want to put. So make sure you don't add crypto or whatsoever when you're paying the person or when the person is paying you, right? Always tell them not to add crypto related stuff on the transaction on your bank side. So you can see the amounts we are selling for $1 now. You can see that the $1 here we have is for 570, whereas in this place we have Zenith Bank. Sorry, we have GTB Bank selling at 420. All right, guys, but this rates might not be completely correct. So let's check NGN rates, NGN bank rates. Okay, because these ones always come up with latest update. NGN rates, NGN rates, bank rates this morning. Okay, GTB. Okay, I told you guys, GTB is 461. All right, this is all right, a little bit okay as of 15th. All right, so this is their rate as of 15th. So if you check this rate and then the rate we are selling on Binance, you see that we are at a very good wonderful profits rates. Okay, so guys, if you calculate that, you see that you're having some good profit. 570 is what you are selling on Binance minus what you are selling on minus what you are selling on this thing. 570 minus what we bought. Assuming we bought at 470, so you are still making your 100 naira. Now, assuming you are making this 100 naira, right, on this particular platform, 100 naira times, if you multiply this, sorry, if you multiply it by the amount you are making, if you multiply it by the amount you're making already, let's say you were able to get, let me maybe say you get sold 990, all right, so you'll be making, excluding the charges and all those. Let's assume that the remaining thing that tops of the 90 were used for some other things, so you see that you'll be making 9,000 naira. Cool. So depending on the exchange rates, because it fluctuates, sometimes it can even go higher than this. All right, but this is the minimum you can make. Now, assuming you were able to access what I'm telling you guys, that I give you um a paid course where you can make about 9,000. All right, you can make about 9,000 every month. Yes, every month on the card. Uh, I give you access to getting about 90, maybe say 6,000. All right, $6,000 a month, and then you are able to make like able to make 100. You are able to make 100 naira per dollar sell, right? But to making this $100, 100 naira per dollar you sell depends on the market rates, right? So I'm not going to be basing on this market rate, because sometimes it may fluctuate at the black market rate. But no matter how bad it is, it cannot go down as worst as 60. All right. So if you're able to access 60 $6,000 a month, and you are able to sell them a good rate, at a good rate of say 60, or you are able to get them sold at $100, 100 naira profit. I believe you know what this figure here is. So that is why it's a paid course, and your money is 100% guaranteed. So if you don't have that strength or mind to go for the paid course, at least you can do this and you'll still be okay. Have any question, ask on the comment sections. All right, if you're interested, go ahead and indicate your interest, and I'll give you my Telegram link to like come your way again. Just subscribe for more wonderful and awesome videos like this, which will be coming your way at no distance time. And like I promised you guys, I'm working on something better for you guys, so you can invest as little amount of money and also have control of all the money you have, and so much more packages which I'll be bringing down on this channel. So that's why you need to subscribe, and I will send you the video straight once I release it. I'll send you a notification direct when I drop the video. So like come your way again, keep making your money.